Hello my beauties, it is your girl Chanel with Chanel and welcome back to my channel. So today, as you can see, we are in the Range. This one was in Surrey Quays, so I'm checking out all the new in items for under £20. They had quite a few. So as I always tell you, go grab yourself a cocktail, mocktail, hot drink or any other drink, sit back, relax and let's get into this video. So guys, it's like 20 past 9 in the morning, Saturday. I've come into the Range and I've seen quite a few things. These are different, I haven't seen these ones before. They got some really cute abstract items in here. I like this, I like the colour, it's so different. I got a woven footstool, that's different, that's £15. I think I've seen these white ones. These ladies here I haven't seen before, they're different. I like this black stool. That's new in. It's a black 10-foot stool, $14.99. That's really nice, guys. But I haven't got anything there. I'm wearing it. Oh, I do like these black. What's it? The new in black matte artichoke. That's that up there. And then this is their Eleonora black abstract vase, and that's £7. That's really nice. Jug's cute. This is another new one. That's $8.99. That's really nice. We've got some white musk cassis scented candle. That's $5.99. It's a 3-wick candle, like that. It's giving me like white company actually. I do like that. Do you know what I'm looking for, guys? Some faux eucalyptus to put in my shower. Oh, I think I am going to Columbia Flower Market tomorrow, so I think I might pick up some then actually. So this is more new in. So this is their Mary Candle tray. That's nice. It's different, isn't it? It's this like clean, fresh look. That's £8. And then we come down and we've got from that white vase. This jug or metal jug vase. That's £10. That's another new in item. Pick this up. That's nice. I do like that. So that's £10. Might pick it up actually. We'll see, because I've already picked up the White House. We come down and then we've got Bohemia metal lantern. So we have some cosmetic boxes, white glass. They're $7.99. These are another new in items. They look different. So I'm looking for some white vases or clear. These ones look nice. These are what? These are £12. And then we've got the cylinder vases. These are here all the time. These are £6. I want something. Do you know what I might do, guys, I think I might go thrifting and go into like a charity shop and see what I can see. But some of these ones are really nice. So we come back, there's a lot of abstracts I'm seeing at the moment. I am liking what they've got. This is different. What's this? This is Nora watering can. Oh, that's cute. And it's ceramic, so you've got to be careful with that one. It will be something that you'll just keep on show, I suppose. And that's £6, guys. So the faux eucalyptus. I'm not sure if that will look right. I think I'll just go down the route of getting the real ones in Columbia Flower Market tomorrow.
Life goes up and it goes down.
Some more hanging ones here.
I know my mom taught me that. I figured why we fool around so little, and we keep track of time, being so serious. Idiots thinking it will matter, keep me company downtown before the clock runs out. Sun is shining, but the rain is welcome too. Friends are nearby, don't need another view. Time is not on my mind, but then it's you. Oh, I love it when the love comes around, and then I remember all things must pass. But I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. I'm not ready, let me have another day. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up. No, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa.
Coming into the new year, I am actually looking for new bedspreads, white or cream, but I really want some linen ones. This one looks nice. This is, and it's my size as well, so that's $13.99. No, that's for a double, $13.99. It's not saying how much it is for the king size. Really need some new sheets, but I'm telling you where I saw some really nice sheets, guys. It was in Dunelm, and I got those over the Christmas in the sale. It was really so soft. So we've got storage boxes here. These are $17.99. 3-drawer tower unit. I don't think that's it, do you? We are in Range. And why does that say Wilko? But Wilko's are doing their sale, aren't they? So we've got $9.99. We've got the modular storage box. I don't know about you guys, but I have got so much Christmas stuff that I need to pack away in boxes so I can free up some more space. So needing these is like paramount right now. I have got, I'm not saying that I got a lot, but I got some. So it's Caden's birthday. Let's whisper, it's Caden's birthday on Friday. So that's the 26th of July. So we picked up this. So this is from Poundland. So at first I kept on looking, I said, where's the boy one? Where's the boy one? But then when I stopped and read for a little bit, it's also got that included in the girl one. So this looks good. So when I put it up, so I normally do it and then put his presents and stuff underneath the banner. So we've got this. So I picked that up. I got just a normal. I think everyone would have seen these. So this is the party bag. That's 20 in a pack. I think I need to go and get some more because these are gonna do for his party at the school, but he's got a little party going on at Air Frills. I'm gonna put the details up somewhere, but he's got a party at Airfields on Saturday, so I'll show you the information on that. I'll tell you what, I did get, so you remember when we was in the Range, you would have seen me show you, as we first walked in, you would have seen the house. And so your girl got this. I do like this. So this is the white one. Remember there was a green one there as well, guys. So it's got the opening, so it's a tea light. So you know it will give that effect, everyone. So I do like it. So is it a Nordic candle holder? But it's quite big, so that's what I like. So I'm gonna, I don't know where I put it, but I'm gonna find somewhere. I will find somewhere. I'm not just shopping for fun. What else? The rest of the stuff, I just picked up some Astonish. I got the Daily Show and Shine, that's white lilies. I needed some new hand wash for the bathroom. I don't even know how this smells actually. Let me check this out and see what this smells like. It's alright. The scent is mild, but Bailey's of Bond Street, London, orange blossom and honey. So I picked She Up. Just got the normal Dove body wash. Some toothbrushes, little extras. You know, you always need it if you've got a guest coming around and anything. You always need something to have there. And then normal. So these ones I got from, all this was Poundland. So this is Poundland. And Poundland toothbrushes and stuff. The only thing that was from the Range really is the house. And then I picked up the batteries. So I got 2 of the £1 batteries, so you get 8 in the pack. And that is what I picked up. So let's see. And then you know me and my migraines, so I picked up the Nurofen 200 milligrams. I picked up that, so that was like a pound. My lovely. So what did I spend in there? So I put £2 extra was for the batteries. So I spent £15 in total. Really, it's not too bad. So I got those bits and pieces, guys.